What's up, guys? This is James the window cleaner, Riley's Cleaning Service Backflip Boys, and I'm here to show you this Ettore 18-inch hybrid brush. I mean, it's a pretty sweet brush, man. It's got 4 pencil jets. Let me turn this around and I'll show you. Check it out. Alright, there she is, man. I should probably turn my camera sideways, huh? Check that bad boy out. Ettore. You got all these little tubes right here. It's awesome. It's a hybrid brush. So that means that it's got this nylon. That's with the black you're seeing. And then inside is the boar's hair. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pencil jets. But what this is going to help do is when you're scrubbing this glass, this nylon is going to help kind of push you around, right? And then this boar's hair is going to do your real scrubbing. I mean, it's going to get, you know, the dirties off. That's what this is all about. It's a must-have in my state to have a boar's hair of some sort, whether that's a hybrid or a pure boar's hair brush. Anyways, this is James Riley. Oh, and check it out, man. You can get this brush. This brush is $50. $50, dude. I think you can get the 14-inch for like $25. That's a killer deal. You know how they do it at Ettore, you know? It's just top-notch, high-quality stuff, and it's not even that expensive. That's what's amazing about it. I mean, if you don't have this brush in your arsenal, you should just go out and get one. I mean, it's cheap, it works perfectly. I mean, it's a good brush to have. I'm going to be using this 18-inch for my solar panel cleaning as my main purpose, but I have used it on some residentials, and it does the job. So anyways, check it out, guys. Bye.